Danielle Lloyd may still use Stacey Solomon's baby name after being left gutted by reveal pregnant Danielle Lloyd had already thought of a name for her little girl, but now it's been taken by Stacey Solomon. It could be time for a rethink. Video loading. Video unavailable. Click to play. Tap to play. The video will autoplay soon. 8 Cancel play now. Danielle Lloyd's son's in tears as she reveals she's having a girl by Katie Wilson 14:49, November 10, 2021. Danielle Lloyd may still use Stacey Solomon's baby name when her little girl is born. The pregnant model is expecting her 5th child after already having 4 boys. Her new arrival will be her 2nd child with husband Michael O'Neill, who she tied the knot with in 2019 and shares 4-year-old son Ronnie. She is also mom to Archie, 11, Harry, 10, and George, 8, from her previous marriage to footballer Jamie O'Hara. The couple already know they are expecting a girl, but Danielle and Michael have been scratching their heads over what to call her. Rose was definitely on the list, but now Stacey has called her little girl that. Danielle says she is having to rethink. Speaking to New Magazine, the 37-year-old said, "Michael wants Rose involved in the name somewhere, but we don't know. We've got a short list and we'll decide when we see her. When I looked at Ronnie, I just knew he was a Ronnie." In an earlier interview with OK, Danielle admitted to being gutted Stacey had picked the name Rose first. "When I saw Stacey's girl's name, I texted Michael going, 'No, she's called her Rose,'" she added. Stacey, a mom of 3 boys, gave birth to her first daughter, Rose Opal Esme Solomon Swash, just a few weeks ago on October 4. The Loose Women star is engaged to actor and telepresenter Joe Swash, who she shares 2-year-old son Rex with. She is also mom to Zachary, 13, and 9-year-old Layden from previous relationships. Danielle, who is due to give birth later this month, revealed she was pregnant back in June. The former Miss Great Britain and reality TV star has always been open about her desire to have a daughter, after having 4 sons. After her scan revealed she is having a girl, Danielle, who was fully expecting it to be another boy, burst into tears. While she says her and husband Michael didn't go down the gender selection route, she admits they would have done if they had needed to. The procedure allows parents to choose the gender of their child through IVF genetic screening. During an appearance on Loose Women after being bombarded with criticism from online trolls, Danielle defended her opinion saying, "I do stand by my decision. I think for me it's about a family balance as well. I totally understand why Terry's 2 sides to the story. Some people don't agree with it, some people do. But I just think for me, I've always wanted that little baby girl. I love my boys and am so thankful that I've got them, and I wouldn't change it for the world. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@trinitymirror.com or call us direct 0207 29 33 033. Follow Mirror Facebook, Twitter,